Welcome students. Let's continue. Again another topic, that is parts of the brain. The brain is mainly divided into three parts, and they are cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. As I have mentioned on the board also. Okay, first we'll discuss about the cerebrum, then about the cerebellum, then after that we'll discuss about medulla oblongata. As you can see in the figure also, I have shown here cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. Okay, now see, under cerebrum, the point which we need to note down is cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. The first point. The second point is the cerebrum is highly convoluted, means it is twisted. Okay, raised and many folded portions are there, folded and depressed portion, as you can see on the figure also. Okay, this raised portion, okay, that is folded portion, the raised portion is what we call gyri. Gyri is plural, gyrus is singular, and the depressed portion is what we call the sulcus. And then you need to remember here that this folding or convolution in the brain is mainly for accommodating large number of neurons. It is believed that the person with a large number of convolution, okay, folds in their brain, okay, are usually very intelligent. Okay, so this is there. Then again, this sulcus in the central portion is depressed so much, okay, it divides the whole cerebrum into two equal halves. Okay, this deep sulcus is what we call central fissure. So central fissure divides the whole cerebrum into two equal halves. Each half is called cerebral hemisphere. Okay, left and right cerebral hemisphere. And then after that comes the next point, that is corpus callosum. These two cerebral hemisphere, they are connected by a sheet of fiber, okay, which we call as the corpus callosum. So about the corpus callosum, many times in the examination also it has been asked. The main function of corpus callosum is to transfer information from one cerebral hemisphere to another cerebral hemisphere. So this is there. Then again after that comes, internally the brain is divided into two regions, outer region and inner region. Outer region, that is the cortex, inner one is the medulla, okay, that is towards the center. Now here you need to remember about the grey matter and white matter. The grey matter mostly present towards the periphery or towards the outer side, that is in the cortex region, whereas white matter is mainly present towards the center, okay, in the medulla region. Okay, white matter, now you need to understand, white matter is actually the cluster of cell body. Okay, many neurons are present inside the cerebrum. Okay, the grey matter are usually present towards the periphery, and the axon, the fiber, is present towards the center. This aggregation of cell body in the cerebrum, they form grey matter, and the cluster of these, the bundle of the nerve fibers, they together form the white matter. So in the brain you need to remember grey matter is present towards the periphery or towards the outer side or in the cortex region, whereas the white matter is present towards the medulla or in the towards the central region. Okay. Then again next comes the function of cerebrum. What is the role of cerebrum? Cerebrum mainly helps us to think, reason out, and then again to plan, and then to memorize. Okay. Then again after that, it is also considered as the seat of intelligence, consciousness, willpower. Okay, and it is believed that subconscious mind and conscious minds are usually present here in cerebrum only. Okay, they are also responsible for controlling various types of voluntary actions. So this point also you can include. Then after completing the cerebrum, will come to cerebellum. In cerebellum also, cerebellum, which is present lower to cerebrum. Okay, as you can see in the figure also. The cerebellum, in cerebrum also, the arrangement of grey matter and white matter is almost the same. That is, cell body, grey matter is present towards the periphery, towards the outer side, and the white matter is present towards the inner side or towards the center. Okay, so that is there. And the main function of the cerebellum is that it helps in muscular coordination, it controls variety of voluntary actions, okay, balance of the body, and coordinates the muscular activity. So this is the main function of cerebellum. Then about the medulla oblongata, which is the lowest part of the brain, they are mainly responsible for controlling or regulating the involuntary actions such as breathing. Okay, then again after that comes heartbeat. Okay, these are all, and then again peristaltic movement of alimentary canal. So these are all regulated by medulla oblongata. So just now we have completed the different parts of the brain. Now in the next video we'll discuss about primary region of the brain. Okay, in this video this much. Thank you.